Learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the part 1 of the new topic that is called the vector algebra. For this one we are going to do the past year questions over here. So here, now look at this question over here. The magnitude of the vector 6i minus 2j plus 3k is. So what is this denoted as? This is called as the unit vector. So what is it? We have to find out magnitude of it. So now let us consider this small a as this 6i minus 2j plus 3k. Here, hence we can say the magnitude of a can be this written as. So now see here, we can just write here capital A this one, and this is we have to write over here. So the formula is x square plus y square plus root of x square plus y square plus z square. So now what we can say, this is x, y, and this one. So this we have to take the square of 6 plus minus 2. See, along with the sign, minus 2 square plus 3 square. So now this will be the root of 36. This is going to be, because here this is an even number. Even number means even wherever we have the negative sign, this even number means always it is going to be positive. So this is plus 4 and this is 9. So when you add this one, this is root of 49. So this magnitude of this one, the vector, that is called as, the answer is 7. That's they ask the magnitude of the vector. That is, the answer is 7. So the root of 49 is 7. So now look at this one. The unit vector along the vector 4i minus 3k is. So now what we'll write here, given means 4i minus 3k. So unit vector is, this is, you have to write this way, 4i minus 3k that divided by this one 4 square plus this will be 3 square. So now what will you write here, 4i minus 3k. So 4 square is going to be 16 plus 9 root of this one. So keep the numerator as it is. So when you add this is going to be root of 25. So again the numerator same, the root of 25 is 5. So now what are you going to do? You are going to split this one, this divided by this, that will be 4i divided by 5. Sign is minus. Again now you will look for this one, 3k divided by 5. So now you can see the denominator is the same. So we can take 1 by 5. See here in the numerator there is 1. So we'll take 1 by 5 common. For both of them, the denominator is the same. And so what remains here is 4i minus 3k. So this is the answer. So now it's given over here the area of a triangle formed by vertices O, A and B, where OA is I plus 2j plus 3k and OB is minus 3i minus 2j plus k. So this one. So now let us see here. OA is given there. Let us write this one. OB, the same thing we will write over here. So now we will take OA into OB. So that is, we are going to multiply this one. So ijk, let us write this one. So now here you can see the coefficient of this is 1, this 2, and this is as 3. For OB, this is minus 3, minus 2, and this is nothing, means there is 1 over here. So now you know this, let us take this I. So now what are you going to do? This you are going to multiply. So that will be see A, B, C, D. So that is going to be AD minus BC, AD minus BC. You have seen in matrices also how to do it. So now this will be AD is, that is 2 minus, and this will be minus 6. So now you will take here, this will be minus over here. Remember, this should be minus, then you will take this one. So now you are going to multiply this and this, this and this. So that is going to be, first thing 1 minus, then this will be minus 3 into 3, that is going to be minus 9. And then you will take this k. So this is going to be multiplied over here. So now what will you take? First you will take this one, AD. So it will be minus 2 minus of this will be minus 6. So now let us take this I. So here minus minus becomes plus. Rest all the same here. Minus minus becomes plus, so plus 9. This is going to be the same. Minus minus becomes plus. So now what will you write? I, and this will be 8 minus j. This is going to be 10 plus k, and this is going to be minus 2 plus that is going to be 4. So now what will you do? You will multiply 8i minus 10j and this will be plus 4k. So now you will take here again here, what are you going to do? You will multiply this one OA into AB, that is root of A square plus B square plus C square. So now this will consider this A, this as B and this as C. So root of this one 8 square plus this is going to be minus, B is going to be minus 10 square, and this is going to be 4 square. So now this is going to be 64 plus this minus 10 square, that is 100, and this is 16. So you will get here 180. So now see here 180, when we take the factors of 180, so what do we get over here? 290s are, 245s are, 315s are, and here will be 3 5s are and 5 1s are. So now what we have to see, because now you will take these numbers. So here you are going to write only 2 because we want the square root. So we can make a group of 2, here 2, and this is alone, that is this has, so this will go in the root. So what will happen here? This is 3. So 2 3s are 6. So you are going to write here 6 root of 5, because this is alone, you will write in the root, and these are the pairs. So you are going to make a 2 because this is the square root of 4. So hope you got it. So that will be 6 root 5. So now what did they ask here? They asked the area of the triangle. So the area of the triangle, this is OAB. That is, the formula is half into OA into OB. So you know that now half OA into OB. What did you get here? This you got it 6 root 5. So you will write here 6 root 5. So 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So answer is 3 root 5 square units. Writing the square units is very important. Otherwise, the half mark will be deducted over here. So now the next one, find the value of P for which the vectors 3i plus 2j plus 9k and I minus 2pj plus 3k are parallel. So now these are given. So we'll write a given this one and these are parallel. So now what we have, whenever they are parallel, means we have the rule, that is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So this you have to remember. So what is this one? This will be a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2. So now you'll look at the coefficients. Now here 3 by, here nothing means it is going to be 1. So you are going to write 3 by 1. Now look at here plus 2 and this is minus 2. So this will be minus 2p because this is the j. So minus 2p. Now here you will write here plus 9 and plus 3. So you will write here 9 divided by 3. So now let us take this two together. So now what will you do? 3 divided by 1 is equal to 2 divided by minus 2p. So you will do this way. So what happens here? 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So now when you just write here 3 by 1 is equal to, so what remains is here minus 1 by p. So now we'll cross multiply this one. So that will be 3p is going to be minus 1. So p is going to be minus 1 by, this is multiplication, so this is going to get divided. That is what they have asked, the value of p. So we got the value of this p. So now the next one, if a is xi plus 2j minus 2k and b is 3i minus yj plus k are two equal vectors. See, they are equal vectors. Then write the value of x plus y plus z. So since they have said equal vectors, that means this a is going to be equal to, vector a is going to be equal to vector b. This step is very important. So now in place of this a, you are going to write this whole thing. So this is written over here. And in place of b, you are going to write this one. So now what will you do when you equate both the sides? So what will you get here? Because they said that is equal. That means now look at the coefficients over here. So this I means here. So now this is equal to this. So x is equal to be 3. When you compare this and this, that is going to be, see here, this actually, this is 2 and this is equal to minus y. So you can write here y is equal to minus 2. Hope you got this one. So y is equal to minus 2. And when you compare this and this, there will be here, coefficient is going to be 1. So minus z is equal to 1. So z is going to be minus 1. So now we want the value of x, y, z. We got the values this. So you have to just add together. So this 3 will be here. Minus 2 is going to be here. And minus 1 is going to be here. So 3 minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 is going to be minus 3. So 3 minus 3, that is going to be 0. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.
The request is to subscribe to the channel, which is free. By clicking the like and subscribe buttons, you can show support and motivate us to continue producing content.